Hello guys, welcome to EKESON Garage. Today we are going on to the best app that pays you paper money, that pays you dollar, clean cash. Here you can spend to win every 5 hours. You have one spend. Every 5 hours you have one spend. Let's scroll down. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video like this or any other interesting video. So hit the like button if you found this video interesting. So let's go on to it now. Click on price. If you download the app using the link in the description, here is price pool $1,350. Here you can join the price pool by either earning tickets or completing service, completing tax for your ticket. Here if you complete this tax or survey, you will get more tickets to join the prize pool, and you can earn any amount as far as you are active. Here are the results and history of those who have earned yesterday, because the prize is every week prize pool. Here is the little ones, last win, those that end when the prize is finishing. Here are the top first, they earn a huge amount. Here is my profile. I have nothing. I just open it. So before you withdraw, you have to have $10 in your main balance before you can withdraw to PayPal. Yes, I have to do like I have not completed. So here is it. The app really pays. It pays for playing games, joining prize pool, and spending it every day. If you like, you can invite your friends. That's good. So use the link in the description to download the app and register, so that you can be joining prize pool that you may earn up to $1,000 just for free. It doesn't cost you anything, just for free. Join, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new update of videos that you can earn money from.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to smash the like button if you found this video interesting. Now hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload the next videos.